Hello, Namaskar. I am Roshan Patel, a student of Egasa Think Center, Jharava, currently studying in class 9. Today I have made a project called Sign Language Converter in Python. My project objective is it converts detect hand signs into reliable text on the screen, helping improve communication with deaf or mute peoples. I used Python for it, a programming language, and I use a module called OpenCV uh, for connecting to webcams, capture video frames, and draw elements, etc. And a media pipe also. It is a Google framework that detects hand gestures. Let's see the project. Here is the code that I written, and I use AI also for it. Here is the my project which I use webcam and finger gesture. So when my five finger is here, then it will say stop. Then four is how, then three is R, and two is U. Five finger is stop, then four is how, and it is for no, then it is for yes. So I can't add this, so it was saying unknown gesture. And let's know how it's work. First, it captured the video through OpenCV, that is a module in Python programming that captures continuous frame from webcam. And then media pipe who detects our hand. The project can understand 21 gestures. Number 3 is gesture classification. Why it works well? Because of deep learning. MediaPipe used for high optimized pre-trained natural network to reliably find hands and landmarks. And I have faced many challenges for it. Like first is the import error. When I am importing framework, it give me a problem or errors because of missing C++ library on Windows. And solution, I install Visual C++ library from Microsoft. Project outcomes and benefits. Real-time gesture recognition. The system can detect hand gesture from a webcam and identify them instantly. It converts detect hand signs into reliable text on the screen, helping improve communication with deaf or mute peoples. What I do next? This project has only 21 gestures, so I will scale it into 100 gestures, and I will make a website in future and allow people to use it and convert the detect text into speech using text to speech. Also, computer can speak and detect. Thank you.